life story, but I just love to drive anyway. Today is everybody's celebrating tomorrow the spring break, but it's also some religious cults. They celebrate Easter, which is wonderful, and the sun is shining. It's absolutely beautiful, and I really want to focus about why we have a poverty conscious. It's not our fault. We grew up like that. You are a middle class, you are poor, you are under middle class, you are upper middle class, and you are wealthy, and all the nonsense. And of course we didn't learn about self-esteem. You can do anything you want, so guess what? You don't. So all these things is registered on the subconscious. The conscious is like the machine, the physical machine, or the boat, the ship, whatever you call it, but it's a physical object. But the subconscious is anything you register there. They don't see where the boat goes. They don't see, your subconscious doesn't see these things. It's only acting in what is already registered, like a machine, which is computerized, and the mechanic have to press buttons, or the operator, and then voila, you have a program. But the program was already there, and it started from our early age. So what I suggest, a lot of times people say, Thalia, you're speaking too much about wealth and how to overcome poverty, and I really mean it. I have enough with this poverty stuff. Well, I really want you to start attracting small portions, what your subconscious can really accept. So, and then you increase that. Say, for instance, you want to be a millionaire, and I want you to, but I want you also to start saying, yeah, I want to be a millionaire from what I do, whatever you do, like I'm making movies or I'm writing stories, but any amounts of money, it will come in now, it will be accepted with the same happiness and joy of my million. So if somebody just give you $1 or $5 or $100 or $1,000 or $10,000, whatever it is, it's like you're receiving. You just remind to your subconscious, now I'm changing you because I am attracting what I ask for it. And whatever it is you have a store in my subconscious mind, I want you to erase that. And we start in a new page. It's like a new page in your book. I love you all, and I want you to be rich. And I want you to let me know. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to listen to my video to the end. And make your comments, beautiful comments. Bye.